How to fix SHEIN app not loading or stuck on splash screen. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is completely delete SHEIN app from your device and again install it. For that, press and hold on the app, click on the option remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app SHEIN. Once app appears, download it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is force stop, clear cache and data. For that, you can launch the SHEIN app. Now swipe up, close the app and again relaunch it. To clear cache and data, launch your Settings app. Scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From this list of apps, find SHEIN. Once you find it, launch it. Click on Upload app, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. Next thing you want to do is restart with no network. Switch off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Once past the splash screen, re-enable your internet. This forces the app to initialize its interface before dealing with network connectivity. Next, ensure you are on stable network. Launch Settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, update your device software. For that, click on the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it, and that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. And that's it. Following these steps, you can fix SHEIN app not loading or stuck on splash screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.